Dr. Susan Hall, an expert on the work-life balance.
Of course, work or study is important for us all. It gives structure to our everyday lives. But for a happy, balanced life, it's also important to play sometimes. It's important to find time to relax with friends and family. It's not good to think about work all the time. I know from my work as a doctor that it's sometimes difficult not to take your work problems home. But if you take your problems home, you never relax, and it's difficult for your family and bad for your health. Don't live to work, work to live. Life is more than work. How many people do you know who really love their work? How many people just work for the money? You know what they say, if you love your job, you never have to work again. I think that's true.
My new flat.
My new flat is near the centre of town, so I often walk to work. It's not very big, but it's very comfortable. There's just one bedroom, a living room, and quite a big kitchen, with a table in the centre. That's good because I love cooking, and I can invite my friends to dinner. The living room has one big window. It faces south, so it's always very sunny. I have 2 comfortable old armchairs, but I don't have a sofa because the room is quite small. There isn't a garden, but there's a small balcony. I want to put a chair there so I can sit in the sun on summer evenings. I love my new flat for many reasons, the big kitchen and the sunny living room. But most of all, I love it because it's my first home.
Superheroes. Superman. Fantastic Superman. He comes from the planet Krypton. He can fly at the speed of light. He can jump very high, up to 250 meters. He can speak every language in the world. There's nothing Superman can't do. Batman. Brilliant Batman. He's a scientist. He's rich and very clever. He's a brilliant detective. He can solve crimes easily. He's a superhero, but he doesn't have any superpowers. He's called Batman, but he can't fly. Spider-Man. Powerful Spider-Man. He has spider powers. He can't fly, but he's very strong. He can climb buildings, and he can jump very high. He can also read people's minds. Wonder Woman! Wonderful Wonder Woman! Daughter of Zeus. She's a princess. She's very strong. She can fight very well. She can run very fast. And she can fly. She can also talk to animals and understand them.